Dear warrior science students, here I am with a new video relating to important questions list for financial management BBA third semester. So let us see the list of important questions for BBA students. Here one thing I want to tell you all, for BBA generally question paper for short questions 8 out of 8 will be maximum theory questions will be there. If he wants to give any problematic related in short questions, he may give 2 short questions most probably. Remaining all max means 3 short questions will be problems. In general all will be theory only, so focus on theory most. And in long questions, in long question answers, one theory, one problem, A or B option is there. One theory, one problem may come in 3 units. Okay, remaining 2 units there will be option of theory only. So your major concern should be theory, not the problem. And in worst situation there may be chance of asking A or B both as problem in 2 units. Only in 2 units that might happen, not in every unit. Okay, so focus should be on maximum theory and few units problems also. So let us deal the detail. Okay, so here we are having, and I have made as per A B C analysis. A category wale you can say 3-star questions or 5-star question, you may call it as, that will come in the exam maximum number of times. And B category, these are 3-star questions, there may be chance of asking these also. And C, worst situation, sometimes they will ask these type of questions now and then as a surprise package. In general I will tell students, A आने वाले हैं, अच्छा पढ़ के जाना है. बी भूलो मत, ये भी ओके, ये भी पढ़ने वाले हैं, इन्हें छोड़ना नहीं. और सी वाले छोड़ना नहीं है, ये आपको कभी भी आके सरप्राइज पैकेज में परेशान करने वाले हैं. ओके, सो ए आने वाले हैं, बी भूलना नहीं, सी बस एक बार चेक करके जाओ, देख के जाओ, छोड़ने का नहीं है इनको. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट आवर ABC category. So A category for unit 1, what is financial management, explain the objectives of financial management. Here reference question numbers and page numbers have been given from SIA book. Okay, if you are referring, these are the details. Difference between profit maximization and wealth maximization. Okay, जुलाई में इससे पहले पूछे भी ये. ओके, नेक्स्ट, objectives of financial management have changed substantially in recent decade, explain. This is also asked in the previously in exam. Explain the relationship between financial management and other disciplines. These are most repeated questions. And explain the scope of financial management, functions of financial management. These are 2 other questions you need to do under B category. And C category, explain the about organization ऑफ फाइनेंस फंक्शन। ओके, प्रोसीजर है ये एक बार चेक करके जाओ। ओके, नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, एजेंसी प्रॉब्लम, इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजंस, EPS maximization, wealth maximization also you may call it as, and what is finance function. These are the short questions might be asked in the exam. Some short questions are already covered. What is profit maximization, what is wealth maximization, like that. So there may be chance of asking those also. Next, unit 2, time value of money and capital budgeting related. Here in this, explain the concept of time value of money and state the significance of in business decision making. This is one A category question from this unit. And short problems, question number 14 to 25 you need to do. Question number 14 to 25, page number is given, reference from SIA book. Long problems relating to ARR, average rate of return, payback period, net present value, profitability index, IRR, and refer notes as well as SIA material for the problems which we discussed in the class. Next, B category, what do you mean by capital budgeting? Explain its features. Explain the various capital budgeting techniques. These techniques are nothing but these problems related only. So these are the B category questions, and there may be chance of one पक्का problem from this unit. So ये करके जाना है. यूनिट 2 में से कभी कभी दोनों भी प्रॉब्लम्स पूछे जा सकते हैं. सो प्रॉब्लम्स भी करके जाओ एंड learn the theory also. Less theory are there, so don't worry about it. What is time value of money? Capital budgeting means what? What is discounting factor, present value of money, and what is present value and future value of money? What is present value of annuity? ये आपको करके जाना है एज ए थियरी पार्ट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस में. एंड यूनिट 3 is relating to capital structure and sources of finance. Okay, so in this A category questions, write about various sources of long term finance, explain the features of equity capital, write in detail notes regarding features of debt capital. Debentures occupy a very important place in financial plan. Discuss the statement and point out the limitations of debenture financing. These are the questions. Leasing is beneficial for both lessee and lessor. Examine. ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं. ये सब ए कैटेगरी वाले हैं ये यूनिट में से, यूनिट 3 में से. एक्सप्लेन दी डिविडेंड पॉलिसी डिसीजंस एंड टाइप्स ऑफ डिविडेंड, determination of dividend policy. These are the questions relating to A category. And problems, all problems relating to cost of capital. In this weighted average cost of capital we need to calculate. One question will be asked. Okay, that weighted average capital at book value as well as market value problems are there. You do those things. And B category questions, advantages and disadvantages of equity and preference shares. What do you mean by capital structure? Explain the assumptions and determinants of capital structure. These are the questions you need to learn for under B category. And I am expecting a problem from this unit. So do one problematic related questions which we discussed in the class. And unit 4, here also problem and theory both chance is there. So do the problems as well as theory. Working capital management. Okay, components of working capital management, working capital budget, what is cash budget, state it's important, what are the methods of estimation of cash. Okay, next These are the short questions. Here in this unit, long questions relating to this are: what is operating cycle? Explain the importance of cash budget in cash management. And what is working capital? Explain the determinants of working capital. What do you understand by receipts and payment method? Explain the preparation of cash budget under this method. Okay, and problems relating to working capital, problems relating to cash budget, problems related we have already did in the exam class, so refer that and do those. Next, B category, discuss the techniques of cash management. What do you mean by gross working capital and net working capital? Distinguish between them. These are the B category questions that might be asked in the exam. And YouTube channel is Aspirants in the Quest of Knowledge. If you not subscribe, please subscribe, that would be better for us. And like करो, बाकी आपके दोस्तों तक ये वीडियो भिजा दो. लाइक तो बनता है, राइट? तो लाइक करके आपके दोस्तों तक ये वीडियो भिजा देना. नेक्स्ट, Unit 5. Most of the times in Unit 5 we may get theory questions itself. Sometimes receivable management problems and inventory management problems will be asked, and those problems we discussed in the class. You can do those. EOQ problems, स्टॉक लेवल प्रॉब्लम्स अच्छी तरह करके जाओ, और 2-3 questions relating to receivable management we did, those you do it, and 2 questions are there relating to ABC analysis, do those also. ABC analysis का in worst situation ABC analysis आता है, generally receivable management and stock level inventory management problems, EOQ and maximum minimum reorder level related problems, maximum level reorder, minimum level, average level, reorder level problems will come. Okay, let us come to this point. What is inventory management? Short questions we are discussing. State its objectives. Lenient and stringent credit policy system, factoring, minimum and maximum level of inventory, what write about reorder level and safety level, write about the debtor outstanding aging analysis. These are the theory questions mostly will be asked from this unit repeatedly. And here A category questions, explain the features of factoring, what are the advantages and disadvantages of factoring, write the objectives of inventory management, write about various techniques of inventory management, what is ABC analysis, how it is useful in effective control of inventory, what is EOQ, explain the assumptions and limitations of EOQ. These are the theory part will be asked in the exam. And problems, as I said, receivable management, EOQ and stock level, ABC analysis, these are the problems will be asked. And B category, write the receivable management, state the benefits and objectives of it. What are the costs involved in receivable management? Explain briefly about C's. Okay, 5 C's relating to credit policy are there. Okay, those you need to learn. Next, write about credit policy, what are the dimensions and elements of credit policy. This is another question. Prepare the best and perform better than the best. All the best. So I have wrapped up totally entire important list. This is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel. If subscribers increase, I can take the live sessions. Okay, so like करो, if people like it, okay, video, mostly it will reach to the others, so that is why I am telling to like, otherwise I don't have any thing to get. If you like the video, it will reach to the others, that is why it is needed. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe the channel, शेयर करना भूलना नहीं। सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद। जय हिंद।